beaches in the Bahrain. Okay, you are saying Bahrain, I am saying Bahrain. That is no problem. So, did you went to play for the beach anytime? Did you went?
Teacher, I am going there.
Okay, you are going for the play.
There.
Okay, sometime you can take the bath also, and sometime we are going for picnic also. Okay, but right now we cannot go. So first picture is the Asri beach. Did you see the Asri beach in Bahrain?
Teacher went to beach. Yes, teacher.
And next one is the Jallak. Jallak beach, everybody know. I know everybody know the Jallak beach. Very good, very good. Now you already understood from this picture. Yeah. Now you okay. Now you understood from these two pictures. These all pictures related to the beaches in Bahrain. Okay. So this is my topic today. All of you open your Gulmohar book. Gulmohar book. And page number you can see in the screen. You can in the screen. Page number. Okay. What is the page number, my dear? Yeah, page number is 45. I make you mute because you are too much making noise. No, please don't make the noise. Okay. Yes. So I mentioned in the screen page number 45. All of you open the Gulmohar book, page number 45. Everybody, please open the book. And this is the subject English and chapter. Which chapter is this, my dear? Chapter 7, right? Chapter 7, page number 45. Did you open the book? Show me your thumb, my dear. Did you open the page? Yes. Tisha open, Nusrat open, Radwan open. Very good. So then I can share with you the next page. Okay. Yes.
Teacher, like this.
Yes, Baba. Open the page 45. Everything mentioned here. Now you can see nice picture, right? What you can see? Can you tell me the name of the picture? This is a park.
Okay,
sure. Yes, very good, very good. So from this picture, we understood this is the picture of a beach. That's why first I show you some picture, whatever in our Bahrain have so many beaches. We are went for the picnic, we went for the play, we went for the bath. So different now, okay, right now we cannot go, everybody know. But before we have so many good memories, right? This is not Bahrain beach, but it is also a beach. What is the written here? Keep the beach clean. Look at your textbook. It is written there. No, what is the lesson name? Rabia, what is the lesson name?
Keep the beach clean.
Very
Beach clean.
Okay, keep the beach clean. Very good. Now look at the next picture, my dear. What you can see first picture? Some like you small babies are all are playing. Dirty beach. Dirty beach. But we are like to play, no? But here see this beach is not clean. How you know? Okay. Now I'm going to show you the next this picture. Okay. 1 second. You can see there are two boys and two girls, right? How many boys here, my dear?
2 boys, 2 girls.
And
2 girls.
you can see there are four, four members are there. There are two boys and two girls. Do you know what is the name of this boy and girl? Yes, one boy name is Tarun. Other boy name is Rohan. One small girl name is Nitu. Other girl name is Laya. So they are very good friend. Okay. They are good friends. So how many friends are there? How many friends are there?
Four.
Okay, how many boys? How many boys are here?
Two.
How many girls are here? How many girls are here? Very good. Okay, now all of you look at your textbook. Okay, look at your textbook. I will read the lesson. Now you can understand. Okay. So page number 45, everybody open. Please write today's date on the top, my dear. All of you write today's date on the top. What is the date of today? See, I wrote here today's date also. Everybody can see I wrote here today's date. T21. Children, make you mute unless talking not good in the class, my dear. Okay. Unless talking no need. If I will ask you sometime, then only give me the answer. Other time don't talk. So page number already you know, and date also I mention here. So where we are in here. Okay, this is a dirty beach. How you know this is a dirty beach? See, some balls, bottles, cans, everything spreading here and there, here and there. Not it looking good. What you are asking, my dear? Again, ask me. Date is mentioned here, Baba. Today's date is this. 10th 3, right on the top. Right on the top.
Teacher, page number.
Who are you? Now you are asking page number. Page number, look at here. Page number, what you can see here, my dear? Page number? Tell me.
25.
45. Now it's clear for everyone. So now I'm going to read the lesson. Okay, all of you carefully listen to me. What is the topic name? Topic name is Keep the Beach Clean. And what is the lesson name? Lesson name is chapter 7, page number 45. This much clear for everyone. Don't ask me again. Ashraful make you mute. Ashraful make you mute. Too much sound come to you. Okay. Laya and her friends Tarun, Rohan and Neetu went to the beach. Already I show you they are very good friends. Who is there? Tarun, Neetu, Rohan and Laya. They are very good friends. So where they went? They went to the beach. Why they went to the beach? They wanted to play. What? They wanted to play. But the beach was dirty. See the dirty. Okay? There were. Why it is very dirty? What you can see in the see on the beach? Plastic. Madina, make you mute. Otherwise, I will remove from the class. This is the dirty beach. How you know this is the dirty beach? See all things spreading, plastics here, bottle, empty bottles, everything is spreading here and there. That's why it is written here. But the beach was dirty. There were plastic bags, cans. Cans means what? Can means somebody drink the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, like these drinks, okay, soft drinks. So these drinks coming in the plastic bottle, sometimes coming in the tin bottle. This tin one is called the cans. And waste paper, see, we are too much using tissue paper in Bahrain. All are very this is a like a lifestyle. In India, in Bangladesh, it's not like after the washing our hands, we are dry our hands not with the use of tissue, we are using the towel. But here pupils are very used to use the tissues. So after the use, they are throwing, not all people, some people throwing here and there. Basically on the beach, what time you will go, you can see uh, everywhere dirty plastic bags. Yeah, then cans, waste paper, tissues you can see here and there. Okay, where in the sand. Even in this lesson we can see, look at your book, Baba. What you can see, plastic bottles, can, then one old umbrella also you can see, no? Yes or no? Black color umbrella.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
yes, my dear. This umbrella, somebody used, after that maybe it is broken, throwing there only. They are not taking and they are not keeping in the dustbin. Very bad habits. We cannot do like this. See, today maybe I will take my whole class. Okay, grade 1A today will go for the picnic. Where? In the Jallak beach. Suppose. So in the beach we will play, we will eat, so many things we will do. After that we cannot throw there. Why we can throw? Because what time we will come back, maybe other students, yeah, other family will come for play. If they will get the dirty place, how they will play, how they will eat. So we cannot make the beach dirty. Okay, my dear. So one old umbrella also we can see. Oh no, we can't play here, said Tarun. Who said this one? Tarun, this boy said, oh no, this place is too dirty. We cannot play here. Come, let us pick up the litter, and said Laya. Laya said, don't worry. We can clean the place. So Laya said, come and let us pick up the litter, means small, whatever dirty you can see. That is Laya said, okay, come. We can make the place not dirty. We can make the place clean. Who said? Laya. Laya means this. They are four friends. Now one girl said, see how they are cleaning the place. Understood? They already cleaning the beach. They started empty bottle. They are keeping in the, this is called the hand dustbin, and they are keeping here all the things. These four here I share with you the another picture, but in your lesson there are four students, two boys and two girls. They are cleaning the beach. Why they are cleaning the beach? Because of they want to play, but they doesn't like dirty beach. They want to play in a clean beach. That's why they are started to clean. Okay. After that, the children work very hard. See how much hard work they are doing. How much some are cleaning, some are all the letters is putting one place, some are putting in the packets. All are busy and happily. But this work is not very easy. This is a hard work. But these children are doing. Okay. After that, the children work hard. They put the plastic bags, cans, and waste paper in the bucket. You can see now they are putting in the bucket. Yes and no, my dear?
Yes.
They are putting in the bucket. Okay, very good, children. They are putting plastic bottles in the green color pouch. They are putting in the black color. So all are making the beach very clean. Why they are making the beach clean? Tell me why they want to make the beach clean. Tell me why. Why?
Want to play.
Exactly. Yes, my dear. That's why. Yes, my dear. Child. I wrote here games we can play in the beach. What happened, Mariam? Why you are disturbing in the class timing, Mariam? Please. What time I will explain? Don't interrupt me. Before also I told. Listen to me now. After that, ask me anything. So they are cleaning the beach because they want to play. See, games we can play in the beach. Some are skipping. You can see one ball. I know all the students, all the small babies like to play like this. How they are playing? On the beach, we can see it on the sand, making the small house. And I know what you are doing. You are keeping your legs inside the sand. Inside this, I will make you everybody mute. You want this? Next time anybody talk right now, I will make everybody mute. Some students are very disciplined. I don't want to make them mute, but some are not following the all the things. For them only, I'm going to make mute. Children, look, they are playing. Now you can see this beach very clean. There is no dirt here. Okay, look, other students also. They see, not only you, uncle, auntie also can play, brothers, elder brother, sister also can play. These two, Tarun and who is that? Tarun and Rohan are playing with the ball. So different game we can play. Where we can play? In the clean beach, not dirty beach. So they already cleaned the beach. After that, they are started to play there. You can see all the pictures they are enjoying. Okay. Now look at the screen. So what they say? Come, let us pick up all the letters, said Laya. We will help too, said Neetu and Rohan. Yes, I told you now all are together cleaning the beach. The children work hard. They put the plastic bag, cans, and waste paper in the bucket. Okay, now I'm going to show you one thing. Can you tell me, Baba, what is the name of this picture? Anybody can say?
Yes, basket. Yes, dustbin.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, my dear. Yes, very good, very good. You are absolutely correct. This is called the dustbin. What is written here? What is written here? Please let me know. Anybody can say? Use me. After that, what is written here?
Use me.
Use me. See, maybe. Okay. Use me means what? Dustbin saying use me. What is the message dustbin given us? Dustbin said, see, I'm sitting here. Whatever waste things you cannot throw here and there, please come and use me. I'm sitting here. Shabika, make you mute. So, Shabika, make you mute. This boy name is Tarun. After the all dirt, all the dirty things keeping in the dustbin, then Tarun said, now the beach is clean. Who said? Who said this sentence? Tarun. Yes. Now look at this. Baba, what you can see here? What is written here? Keep our beach clean. Okay, very good. And you can see one cross sign is here. Cross means wrong. So what you can see there? You can see cans and bottles. Here you can see one cut sign. Cut sign means what they say. They are sending one very important message. They are saying don't throw. Whatever don't throw, cans, bottles. If you will throw, then place will be become dirty. But if you will not throw, then keep our beach clean. So how to keep our beach clean? Because you can throw your waste things where? In the dustbin. Very good. Now I'm going to share one very beautiful picture. Not only picture, in this picture have a very good message for you. You know what is written here? Look, this is a small girl, and where she's standing? She's standing in a beach. What? She is holding one, like a paper and written something. What is written? The ocean takes care of us. Ocean means what? This is the ocean. Ocean, see, I before also I told you, river, after river sea, then big sea is called the ocean. So in our Bahrain we can see the all sea, all side. But what time we are going to the, Bangladesh, you are flying to the Bangladesh, from the up, from the airplane, you can see down a very big water source. Okay, this called the Arabian Sea. Yeah, Arabian Ocean. Ocean means the big source of water. What this girl is given message? The girl is saying the ocean take care of us. Let's return the favor. Means oceans give us so many things. What? Main thing, without water we cannot live. Can you live without water, my dear students? So water from where we are getting? Okay, fine. So tell me, water we are drinking water. We are using for bathing, cleaning, drinking. Water we are using for the washing. Then we are putting in the plant. Everything we are doing. So water we are getting from where? From the ocean, from the sea, from the river. So if water source is give us these things, take caring us, then our also have some responsibility to take care also. So what is your responsibility? Your responsibility, don't make the beach dirty. Okay, don't make the beach dirty. What? Because of all we are using the beach for what? For our, what time we are free, leisure time, we are going there for play. Okay. Where we are going for play? In the beach. We can play so many things. We can take bath also there. If we are making our beach clean, then we can enjoy. We can enjoy what we can enjoy in our free time. We can go, we can sit there, we can take our food there. So everything we can do. But in dirty place, can you do? Dirty beach, can you do?
No.
That's
Teacher.
yes, that's why. Very good. That's why
No,
Tarun, Rohan, Neetu, and Laya, these four friends are decided to do something. What they decided? What they decided? Look at the screen. I'm going to share this one. What they decided. They are making a big plan. Look at this screen. What you can see, my dear? Turn your book, turn your page, Baba. Last page, go to the page number 46. Open the 46 page number in your textbook. See, the next day, Laya and all her...
Teacher.
Yes, yes. Any problem?
What book?
So what you can see, my dear, page number 46, page number 46, you can see next day means which day they came for the play in the beach. They saw very dirty beach, then they make a plan, we can clean the beach. After that day, what time cleaning part is completed, next day morning, Laya and all her friends means who? Rohan, Neetu and Laya, all are Tarun went to the beach. They put up sign everywhere. Sign means what? You can see now what time we are going to anywhere on the road also. Some on the road we can see some like this board is there written, wait, don't park your car here, don't throw here. Like this caption you can see on the road. See, this is called the signboard. Okay, signboard means given some information what have to do. So in okay, so what they do, they put a sign everywhere. On the beach, they put like this sign. And what is written here? Please keep the beach clean. They sending one very good message for everyone. What the message is? Message is please keep the beach clean. Okay. The beach is clean and beautiful now, said Laya happily. How is the lesson, my dear? Tell me. How is the lesson? Very good, no? I know. This is very good lesson. And from these lessons, what do we learn? We learn we cannot make our beach dirty because this beach always we have to make clean because this beach we can use for play, so our duty to always make the beach clean. What time we are going for any picnic or any for outing, what day that time we are eating there, we are using tissue paper, but we cannot throw there like this. After use we cannot throw. After use, we have to put in the dustbin. Where? In the dustbin. Why dustbin? Dustbin is a place where we can use our waste things. See, this dustbin said, use me. What is the use? Use means after our use things, we can throw in the dustbin. Okay, dear? I think everybody understood the lesson very well. Am I right? Am I right? This is my today's topic, and again I will repeat to the next class. If you understood this lesson, then you can now after my class you can read this lesson one time or two times. If you read, you can tell me tomorrow according to your own words what is the summary of this lesson. Summary means in short form you can tell me. So this is your homework. Everybody read at home at least 5 times. And tomorrow I have no tomorrow I don't have English class. On Sunday I will ask you, tell me what you learned from this lesson, what you understood from this lesson. Not from the, you cannot say from the book. Make your own sentence. Whatever you can write in a paper, what you learn from the these lessons. This is your homework. Okay, at least 2 sentences, 3 sentences. Try to write what you learn. Okay, and